Here's an example of some of the work you've got to do nowadays on an E46 to carry out a restoration, a true underside restoration. We're currently in 2021. This is a 2006 model, 54,000 mile, very tidy, clean, individual colour M3 convertible. And so it's what I suppose I'm trying to say there, it's the last of the line, being a 2006, very low mileage, and yet still it has what I'd call an average amount of corrosion on. The only real way to get rid of that is actually replacing certain panels and brackets. Now some of this is the absolute requirement because corrosion is trapped underneath some of the panels. Now it's mainly bracketry, things that didn't get seam sealed at the factory, but there are areas of concern which always need attention, and it's given you a small example of some of the levels of detail we go to remove that said corrosion. For example, on the battery bracket, there's always a bracket here that fails or corrodes, which needs to be taken off because you can see the corrosion, how it's been eating into the battery bracket area. Two up there. Then we also have to deal with the RACP, obviously the 4 mounting points, tear out any crack repairs and then reinforce them with the Reedish V3 plate kits. But then we've got also the brackets that are terribly corroded here on the brake pipe section, and also the fuel tank straps, brackets here, and then the brake pipe one there. Those are always suffering with corrosion underneath. You can see black little pitted marks where we've already gone over this area once but need to revisit because there's still corrosion problems. That gives you an example of what hides there normally and what we're working with to remove. And then also the forward fuel tank brackets as well. These ones are terribly corroded commonly, and again you can see the black pitting in that area there, so we have to remove those brackets. And then you may ask, well, what do you put back on? Well, nowadays Reedish Motorsport have got new brackets for these RACP areas. So we've got our own developed fuel tank rear brackets, fuel tank front brackets, and brake pipe brackets, replicas of the BMW original one, but most importantly out of brand new steel, so you don't have to recover the old rusty ones and re-weld them back on. It's a restorer's delight. If you're working with an E46, it's exactly what people are going to be needing going forward, as these cars already are showing unfortunate corrosion. We also go as far as nowadays taking out the rear trailing arm pockets if needed. Some cars have such corrosion in this piece here called the rear trailing arm pocket that it's simply more effective and easier to drill out the spot welds and remove a MIG weld, release the pocket, and then put new BMW pockets in there, weld them in so they'll be stronger, and also new metal. So that's one of the key things, putting new metal into the car is needed. If you're not really doing that and just scuffing off the corrosion off of the surface, you're never really attacking the corrosion which is growing underneath the brackets or behind the metal panels. And that's just an example of some of the levels of detail we have to go to rid a car of corrosion.